Hey there, fellow streamers. If you're eager to dive into the magical world of Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and Pixar without spending a dime up front, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to sign up for a Disney Plus free trial. It's quick, easy, and totally worth it for all that epic content. First things first, grab your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer, and head over to the official Disney Plus website. You can type in DisneyPlus.com into your browser or download the app from your app store. Once you're there, look for the big Start Free Trial button on the homepage. It's usually front and center, so you can't miss it. Go ahead and click that. Now, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure to use an email you check often, as they'll send you a verification link. After that, they'll ask you to select your subscription plan. For the free trial, you can pick the monthly option, which gives you access for a limited time at no cost. Don't worry, you can always change it later. Next up, you'll need to add your payment information. This is standard for free trials, but remember, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Just enter your credit card or PayPal details carefully. Once that's done, review your information to make sure everything looks good, then hit Confirm or Start Trial. Boom, you're in. You'll get a confirmation email, and you can start binge watching right away. One quick tip. If you don't want to continue after the trial, set a reminder to cancel before it ends to avoid any charges. That's it. You've just unlocked a world of entertainment for free. If you run into any issues, check the help section on the site or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides like this one.